Okay, if you want to switch from either you started with answers and it's giving you trouble and you want to maybe use flow, or, I don't know, but if you want to do your model in SolidWorks, I'll just ask. So I'm going to create new part. Okay, so I'm going to initially sketch my pipe face. So sketch, let's go to, I like the front plane, sketch. Okay, center line from here to here. Smart dimension. Okay, but you must remember this is going from your center, so you must minus your radius because it's 10% of big D. Then that'll be to the outside. Well, the way I look at it is the outside, and then you've got a minus say radius. So my radius from center is 55.2. Enter. Okay, then we just draw a face. Smart dimension this. 20 millimeters, the outside one. When you extrude, you can put it in the middle. Okay, then you exit this completely because every action must have a sketch to itself. I think I'm not the greatest at SolidWorks. I prefer using Ansys's ones. Okay, so let me add. So go to the top view, sketch. Okay, center point to my middle, perfect. Then while I'm here, don't want to quit this, I'm going to use a helix. Okay, now I just got to check this. You must change this to height. So my L3 is 336, but then you must minus your diameter because the way I think it's not including, it's from the top of the thing to top. So minus thing, so mine's actually that. Revolutions I want 5, and then wait, okay, so it's shifted off, so I want it 90 degrees off, not 900. There you go, and I don't know why I prefer the other direction. Okay, so now the helix is done. I've got a face, everything. I'm fully out of my sketches, so now we're going to go back to the top view, add a sketch, so a new one must appear for the extruding later. Okay, so now we're going to draw a 90-degree one. I just like 90 degrees. You can make it go, you can put your coil to go have more. You can either go like half and then you draw this to correspond with it. So maybe you make it go 45. Okay, no, 45 is not a very good number, but 180 and stuff like that. But this should do for most of the stuff. So that's 90. So then let's go from that point out. Okay, you must click on these points, otherwise they don't link. Smart dimension, I like 50. Now you got to put a round in, so let's bend this corner, fill it. This one. Let's change this to 25. You want it about your diameter's radius. It's just nice. And if you have it too much, it actually pops through your pipe, which isn't good. So mine's 24, so I'm going to make it 25. Okay, then exit. Oh, okay. Forgot. SolidWorks, you must hit OK. Where did my pen go? Okay, sketch. That's the right sketch. Edit sketch. Sorry about that. This one. Okay, there you go. Now exits. Okay, now my curve's right. Okay, now you must be fully out of it. Don't add planes while you're inside your sketches. It sometimes makes 3-dimensional. I'm not the greatest again in SolidWorks. But then when you add that, you add a reference plane. So your first one, I'm going to reference my top, and then my second point reference will be at the top of my helix. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to draw the rest on the top side. So sketch, I'm on this plane 1. Okay, you got to first draw a circle. I'll just hit Y. Okay, center. To there, you don't, yeah, I prefer putting a circle at the top. Sometimes it doesn't like it and freaks out. So I just put a circle just in case. Okay, so now I have my circle. I prefer to make my circle a construction line. Then I'm going to do the exact same thing. So middle to 90. It should snap on. There should be diamonds. You see those diamonds there? Let me just go top view perfectly. There you go. See, and all these little, okay, you can't see my finger pointing, but these little things here indicate that they snap into each other and everything. And then same thing, draw a line from here to there, smart dimension, 50. Okay, curve, exact same principles. Okay, now we look. Okay, everything's fine, dotted lines. Okay, now curve, exit. Okay, then one of these tools here is to reorientate. That's not the angle I wanted. Luckily, we use software a lot, so. Okay, but whatever. Okay, now click on your helix. And then let's go features. Sweep. So it's selected that, perfect. Then you select the body one, so it's filled up completely. Now you're going to hit thin features, 1 millimeter, but you need to check. You can see it's ever so slightly blue there, so it's actually on the wrong side, so you need to hit this, switch it. Now it's actually a little bit easier to see that on here it's on the outside, because otherwise your pipe's getting too big. You can put it the other way, it's depending on how you see the picture they gave us. So I don't know if you consider your small d to be on the outside or inside, but then you must also consider that when you're doing your Reynolds number and everything. Okay, but we'll do that for now. Okay, now you go find which sketch this was on. So this was on sketch 3, so you click on sketch 3, sweepable bodies. It's already automatically selected that, that's nice. If it doesn't, you can select it. I'll do it on the top one, hopefully. Let's select you. Okay, again, select this, we're going to go thin bodies. You must still check this. I see this one also did it, so we need to switch directions, and okay. So now we have a bottom pipe. Okay, now we need to find the top sketch. Okay, that's the top sketch. Sweepable bodies. Okay, now this one is all because I've got to join it. So you can actually then select. Oh, let me just restart that. Sweepable things. It actually will automatically think of that one, but you can. It's a little awkward to think, but you can select it. Okay, but again, bodies. You are 1 millimeter off. Sometimes it actually does predict and it's actually correct. So don't just automatically push swap directions. Okay, let me just double check that is right. Yeah. Okay. And there you go. Your coil is done. You can do this all in one part, but I prefer to put it into assembly. So I'm going to save this file. Save. Legibly. Okay. Coil. Obviously spelled wrong. Coil dash. There you go. Okay. File. New. Part. Now we're going to draw the outside. This is a lot easier to do. So we're going to go top plane. Sketch. Okay. On map. And then we just draw a circle. Smart dimension. Okay. And now you got to put your D in. So it's big D. There you go. Yeah. Okay, that's like it for that. So exit sketch, add features, extrude this. Okay, again full body. You just put thin on, and then check. Okay, again the blue's on the outside there. If you can see it, I hope you can see it in the videos, but it's on the outside. Just check. It's up to you. You can put it on inside, outside. It depends how you interpret the picture. I only want 1 millimeter, and then you're gonna make your height. So my L3 was 336 plus the other one plus the really big one. Okay, that gives me that number. Okay, there you go. That's that done. Okay, so now we're gonna go. I'm gonna add a new sketch. So we're gonna go front plane, sketch. Line up with the front plane, which is there. You go. When you pick circle, it automatically starts snapping to the center. So just draw a circle, anything. Now you're gonna make this your diameter of your pipe. So if you made your pipe bigger on the side, but this must be the outer diameter of the pipe. So mine was 24. Oh, 24 divided by 2, it's radius. And then you put your how you want it. So for the bottom one, since L3 is from the bottom of the pipe, well, so mine is 3.3, then I plus my radius, so now it's going to line up perfectly in the center. Enter. Exit sketch. Okay, yeah. So now you're going to go back to front plane. Sketch. See, another one must appear. You can't have the same one because when you cut away, your sketch will disappear. So now I haven't done anything on this one, so let's go to this one, edit, center, and exact same logic. So now it was 24, so I'm going to go 12. But now it's going to be the two L's. So it's going to be 336 plus 683. But now you're going to minus your diameter because it's going to put it on the lower, but you want it because if you look at the picture, it's a little bit above. So now I'm minusing it. But so it depends on your interpretation. Okay, there you go. Okay, now you have to exit sketch. Okay, let's go to the bottom one. So now we're going to cut a hole. Actually, okay. I don't know why I prefer having it going that way. Not that one, this one, and then we make this 100 millimeters. Let us check. Okay, yeah, it's going out there. Okay, and we have a hole. Okay, then we go to this sketch. Same thing, right direction, perfect. There you go. Now we have two holes. That's all we need for this one. So we're gonna save, save, and we're gonna save this shoal space that thingy. Then file, new, assembly. Okay. So we want coil, insert part. We want shoal. Okay, so now we're lined up each other. This isn't too bad, so you're going to use the mates. So you got to use this one. Then sometimes, I don't know why, it doesn't sometimes select on this when you're using, I don't know why I had a little bit of issue, but you'll find that maybe your inner circles will line up. So you try clicking on these ones here also if it doesn't work there, but one of them must work. Okay, so that's the bottom one, so I'm going to put that to the inside surface here. Okay, and goodbye part. Okay, now it's in. You have to hit OK. Okay, but now you can see it's uneven. So what you're going to do is you're going to make another part. Going to expand this, expand. Okay, so you are now going to line up. So I want right view, that one. And then I'm looking at now my pipe and front view. So you got another lined up. Okay, and then that's your part. So let's get a different view. But you must check that everything is lined up. So just check. So if your radius was too big when you're putting in your coil, you'll see it'll pop out here. It's not a big deal. All you need to do is reopen these things. So it's open. What is it? It doesn't actually save here. Okay, it was coil. That you can edit these things inside here. So you're gonna go to this one here, the suitable one. If it is wrong, edit sketch. And then you can actually edit it here. I know everything will appear, so like let's put a really big one. There you go. So it's off now. And then when you hit exit sketch, it will automatically just go towards it. So that's not a big deal. Then when you go back to your assembly, it will ask update. It might break my mates now, but yes, you see it, look, it broke my mates, so the holes aren't lined up. I don't even know how it broke my mates. But the principle's the same, so it's all it's probably linked to something else. So you must just check your diamonds and stuff. But that's how you can edit it quickly inside your stuff. But I will just keep your editing and it will work perfectly just like that. Okay, I hope this helps. Good luck.